Welcome back to the channel. Did you know that what you eat for dinner can make the difference between sleeping soundly and tossing and turning all night? You may have never thought about it, but some foods can actually help you sleep better, even more effectively than pills. Today, we're going to discover 7 natural allies that can transform your sleep in surprising ways. Millions of people around the world suffer from insomnia or difficulty sleeping, and this problem becomes more common with age, especially after age 50, when our circadian rhythms begin to shift. According to research published in the Journal of Sleep Research, eating foods rich in tryptophan, magnesium, and melatonin can significantly improve sleep quality. The foods we're looking at today not only help you sleep better, but also nourish your brain and help restore the natural balance of your sleep cycle. If you include them regularly in your dinner, you're likely to notice gradual improvement, night after night. The best part? You might even start relying less on sleep medication. Yes, medication has its place, but the effects are temporary. These foods, on the other hand, work from within, without causing dependence or side effects. Stay with us until the end, because I'll also share a secret recipe, a foolproof combo for deep, restful sleep. Before we start, tell us in the comments how old you are and where you're watching from. Your participation really helps us create more useful content just for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips that can make a real difference in your life and in the lives of your loved ones. Let's get started. First food, the banana. It may seem like a common fruit, but it hides a powerful combination of nutrients that help relax the body and mind. Magnesium and potassium help release muscle tension, calm the nervous system, and support a general state of relaxation. Plus, vitamin B6 converts tryptophan into serotonin, which in turn stimulates the production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep cycle. A study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition confirms that the combination of tryptophan and B6 enhances the body's natural production of serotonin and melatonin, making it easier to fall asleep. For best results, eat ripe bananas, with those brown spots that show they're at their peak. Even if you eat them slightly green, they still provide resistant starch, which feeds the beneficial gut bacteria that directly influence the production of neurotransmitters related to rest. So whether ripe or not, bananas always support your nightly well-being. Second food, almonds. These tiny nuts are true magnesium powerhouses, a mineral that plays a key role in relaxing the nervous system and reducing cortisol, the stress hormone. This helps the body ease into a restful, deeper sleep. According to the Journal of Research in Medical Sciences, proper magnesium intake can make a big difference for people with mild to moderate insomnia. Just 7 or 8 almonds about an hour before bed could lead to more peaceful nights. And if you soak them beforehand, they'll be easier to digest and their nutrients more absorbable. They also contain vitamin E and healthy fats, which help keep your blood sugar levels stable through the night, preventing sudden wake-ups due to energy dips. Now, an important warning: decaf coffee. Although it's marketed as a safer nighttime option, decaf still contains a small amount of caffeine, enough to disrupt sleep in sensitive individuals. Some decaffeination methods also use chemical solvents that may interfere with neurotransmitters like adenosine, which plays a direct role in promoting sleepiness. And don't forget the psychological factor. The smell and taste of coffee alone can trigger a mental, alert response, even without caffeine. This could prevent you from reaching the deepest, most restorative stages of sleep. So, if you're struggling with sleep, consider swapping decaf for a calming herbal tea like chamomile, valerian, or lavender. Third food, cherries. These small red fruits are a natural source of melatonin, making them an excellent tool for regulating your circadian rhythm. A cup of fresh or frozen cherries before bed can help you fall asleep more quickly and improve sleep quality. They also contain antioxidants like anthocyanins, which reduce inflammation, another factor that can interfere with restful sleep. A study from the European Journal of Nutrition found that cherry consumption improves both sleep duration and efficiency, especially in people who wake up with stiffness or tension in the body. Just one caution: avoid dried cherries, which are often loaded with added sugars that can disrupt your blood glucose levels at night. Food number 4, kiwi. This juicy green fruit is a natural source of serotonin and powerful antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin E. Thanks to its ability to reduce oxidative stress, kiwi is considered highly effective in fighting insomnia. Research conducted in New Zealand, published in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition, showed that eating 2 kiwis 1 hour before bedtime significantly improves both sleep quality and duration. Bonus tip: if the texture doesn't bother you, try eating it with the skin on, just make sure to wash it well, since that's where many of its antioxidants are concentrated. And if you pair it with half a banana, you'll get a natural synergy between serotonin and tryptophan, boosting their relaxing effects. Food number 5. Sauerkraut. This fermented cabbage isn't just rich in probiotics, it also contains tryptophan, an essential amino acid needed for the production of serotonin and melatonin. During fermentation, bioactive compounds are created that help balance your gut microbiota, which plays a direct role in regulating your sleep cycles. The ideal combo: pair sauerkraut with complex carbs like brown rice or oats. These help tryptophan cross the blood-brain barrier and reach your brain where it can be used. One important warning: sauerkraut contains histamine, so avoid combining it with other histamine-rich foods, like chocolate or wine, to prevent unwanted effects. It's best to eat it on its own, at least 2 hours before bedtime. Food number 6. Oats. Though often thought of as a breakfast staple, oats are also a fantastic nighttime choice. They're rich in magnesium, zinc, and complex carbs that trigger gradual insulin release, helping tryptophan enter the brain. They also contain avenin, a naturally calming compound with sedative effects. According to studies from the Journal of Sleep Research, consuming oats can be especially helpful for people dealing with mild insomnia. You can enjoy half a cup as a light dinner, or add it to a nighttime smoothie with banana and plant-based milk. Add a dash of cinnamon. It not only enhances the flavor but also helps keep your blood sugar stable through the night. Food number 7. Chamomile. Simple and powerful, chamomile tea is a classic remedy for better sleep. It contains apigenin, a flavonoid that binds to certain brain receptors, promoting calmness and reducing anxiety. Its effect is similar to that of mild tranquilizers, but without any side effects. But preparation is key. Heat your water to about 80 degrees Celsius, not boiling, and let the flowers steep for 8 to 10 minutes, with the cup covered to preserve the essential oils. A study published in the Journal of Advanced Nursing found that regular consumption of chamomile significantly improves sleep quality in adults with mild sleep disturbances. And as promised, here's the secret recipe: golden milk. This ancient bedtime drink combines turmeric, ginger, black pepper, and plant-based milk. The main compound, curcumin, found in turmeric, reduces brain inflammation, which is one of the hidden causes of insomnia. But it needs help to be absorbed. Black pepper, for its piperine content, and a healthy fat like coconut oil are essential. Drink it about 45 minutes before bed, and over time, you may notice a big improvement in how easily you fall and stay asleep. In summary, the 7 sleep-friendly foods we covered today are banana, almonds, cherries, kiwi, sauerkraut, oats, and chamomile. And as a bonus, golden milk to end the day with a comforting, soothing ritual. You don't need to add them all at once. Start slowly and make them part of your nighttime routine. A dessert with banana and kiwi, a bowl of oats, or a well-prepared herbal tea can make all the difference. Remember, these foods work best when combined with healthy sleep habits. Stick to regular sleep schedules, avoid screens before bed, and create a calm, relaxing bedroom environment. And that's it for today's video. Now tell me, do you already include any of these foods in your evening meals? Which one would you like to try first? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this content helpful, please share it with your friends and family. Someone close to you might need this information too. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more health tips that can truly improve your everyday life. See you in the next video.